guys, here's some collab action with Miss Jewel G. You guys go follow her. She has that beautiful curly natural hair.
Loves. My name is Jewel, aka Jewel G, and I am super stoked because I am collaborating with my girl Tor. Yes, I call her Tor, aka Tori Christina, aka Naturally TC. So we were like, what are we gonna collaborate about? We have known each other for quite some time, and Tori is truly someone who is near and dear to my heart, someone I value, someone I believe to be a visionary and a giant in the kingdom. So I am really looking forward to this collaboration. And yes, I kind of talk with my hands. All right, so in this one, we're gonna be jumping in and just sharing what is our go-to protective hairstyle. And so mine is by far the 2-strand twist. So I'm gonna show you guys in this video how I accomplish that look. Let's jump in. There's actually no product in it right now. I washed and conditioned it and deep conditioned it. And so, okay, so before you begin any 2-strand twist, you definitely want to ensure that your hair and your strands are fully saturated with water. Yes, water. So I definitely always have my spray bottle handy. As mentioned, I did wash and condition my hair, but my hair is already losing that moisture, so I'm just going to rehydrate. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I use, and these are like also my go-to products. I love Camille Rose, and so I usually use her Curl Love Moisture Milk, Rice Milk, and Macadamia Oil. So I usually put this all throughout my hair, and then that is followed by her Curl Aid Moisture Butter Green Tea and jojoba. And this is what I twist my hair with. She also has another twisting butter. So I interchanged, but this is the one that I'm going to be using today. This stuff is awesome. It smells amazing, and it's really good for your hair. Oil-enriched softening hair butter with sweet notes of vanilla and macadamia, crafted to deliver intense everyday moisture, and it smells the bomb.com. And then when I'm finished with the twist, I usually put some sort of an oil. This one is Sheer Moisture's 100% argan oil. That's all you're going to need. I do not use combs in my hair, but you are going to need a brush to smoothen, and then you're just going to use some scrunchies. So what you want to do first is section your hair. I usually do between 4 to 5 sections. Put a little bit of the moisture milk, and this is the first section. You definitely want to ensure that you get your ends, and I just make a big twist in the section. So I'm going to do that for all the sections. So this is the first section. Got your little big twist. This is what it's going to look like. And then I'm just going to do that for the rest of the sections. first step of moisturization has been applied and everything is nice and sectioned off, so now we can start getting to work. So what I usually do is I like making sure that the hair still does not, you know, mess with the section that I'm doing. So I'm gonna further kind of like section it off. So I just kind of like create these little buns, and then this is bun 2. Yeah, like that. So now, you know, you're not gonna have the rest of the hair messing with the section that you're working with. And then I'm gonna remove my earrings. Yes, I am. And so this section is all nice and moisturized. Again, I like to twist my hair when my hair is extremely wet. So I just make sure that it has a nice slip. And then I'm gonna further like section it to twist it. So you take out a little piece, and then I wrap this portion up into the bun that I created with the rest of the hair. And so this is the section that I'm working with. Then you want to go with your butter, and I usually like taking a good amount and just giving that section some love, or that you give your ends some love. And then this is where the brush comes in. I like to ensure that my hair is extremely smooth, that section, before I begin twisting. Okay, so it feels nice and moisturized. So then I just take a little piece. Now it depends with my 2-strand twist. Sometimes I do it, you know, depending on the look that I want to get when I untwist it. I will either do it like really tiny or medium size or big. So I want this one to last longer, so I'm actually going to do it like medium size. So I take the 2 pieces of hair and I begin twisting. And you want to ensure that you're doing it tight. You twist. Usually go pretty faster than this, but I'm trying to show you guys how it's accomplished. And then when I come towards the very end, I just take my index finger and I swirl the hair around. And that's it. So we are finished with the first half, freshly twisted, and now we're going to jump to the second half. So this is the final product. This is actually after about an hour and a half of twisting. So right now my hair is completely wet, and then usually what I do, I'll go in with an oil of my choice. Today I chose argan oil, and I just do a couple of squirts. I rub it in and I just get the ends and usually the top, and that's pretty much it. But this is the final product. And then when it dries, it falls out. I usually leave my twists for about a week, and then I untwist them, and it has like a nice definition. Like this video and subscribe to Naturally TC's channel and my channel as well, Balanced Woman. Thank you guys for having me. Love you, Tor, and thank you guys so much. It was truly an honor to collab. Bye.